the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm speechless. But we're going to be spending some time with this car. I mean, if it's the ultimate SUV in its class or not, or if maybe you should go for something else.
I never expected the interior of the Outlander to be like this.
If you look at the car from outside, the car looks really, but then you get inside and it feels cramped. I don't know what that is all about. I wish they had put this up a bit. What's the point of making the car big and then the headline low and then it's feeling cramped inside? I don't know. I don't like it.
The most unexpected thing about the Outlander is that the suspension...
It's tuned good. It's competing with the Honda CR-V, 2025 Honda CR-V. I'm driving the car, and it's going over a bump, and it's feeling like I'm driving on clouds. I like it. It's Gucci. I don't know why I said Gucci, but leave me alone.
Before we head into the Winterlude Festival, let's take a look at the exterior of the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander.
This is the Noir edition, also known as Black edition. And we come here, we have this massive view that makes me think about, you know, the Range Rover. It's obnoxiously big, I'm not gonna lie. We have the daytime running light, the headlight, fog light. It doesn't look bad, it's okay, you know. We have some bulge here, some lines that make the car look a bit more aggressive. I like it. Everything is blacked out in this car. That's the difference between the Noir edition and normal edition. The normal edition, this place is chrome, but on the Black edition or the Noir edition, everything is black. And coming to the side, we have this 20-inch alloy wheel that is blacked out as well. Like I said, this is the Black edition, everything is black. Coming to the side here, we have power folding mirrors. We also have blind spot monitoring here, and we also have keyless entry. You just push the button, beep, the door opens. You want to close it as well, you push it to close. One way you can know if this car is a Black edition is we have the Noir bag right here, which is nice. Coming to the back side, just like a typical Mitsubishi looking back side, you know, it's okay. At least it's tame. It's more tame than the front side. The front side just looks obnoxiously big, man. I don't know why. If I'm to grade the exterior, I will give it like a B-. Yo. Ready, Cairo? Wow.
She from the city, she call it the bitty. She be hanging with the Bloods and acting sedity. I think Shawty want a thug, a nigga that's gritty. But she always hit me up and tryna get with me. Is that what you want?
Here's what happened when I decided to try out the power of the Outlander.
But you ready? That acceleration was so slow.
I feel like some of it is good.
Yeah. The shifting is slow as well. Not a fan. Not a fan. Bro, I put it from 0, pressed it all the way down. The thing took its time. And it was on first gear. So the thing is even supposed to move really, really fast. But it did not. I don't know. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Putting it out there right now. I'm not a fan. Not a fan.
Feel the feet heaters?
No.
Yeah,
I don't even feel the heated seats. See, again. Down. See? It took some time to kick down. What's that all about? Took some time to kick down. I'm not a fan of this. Let's go back to drive, man.
After spending some time with the Outlander, here's something that annoys me about the car.
I put in park. I remove my leg. The door is not opening. I have to physically unlock it and then open the door. Like, what's going on? Why? I don't know if it's a setting or not. I got in the car and I'm driving it. So it's whatever setting the dealership puts it on, that's the setting I'm going with.
I do not know why nobody's talking about how nicely tuned the steering wheel of the Outlander is.
Honestly, it's quite responsive. I like the feel. See? Before they think I'm like a crazy person. As you can see. It's responsive as hell. It's good. I like how it feels. It's not bad, responsive. I like how it's tuned. It's good. Mitsubishi, you're doing a good job. Let's do brake test from 95 miles per hour, kilometers per hour. No car coming behind us. Ready? Oh no, snow. Not bad.
Walmart to pick up a few things, but before we do that, let's take a look at the interior of the Outlander.
Alright, so taking a look at the interior of the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander Black or Noir. Look like the interior. We have soft touch leather here. This is hard touch. Memory seat here. Piano black. Don't like it. Carbon fiber. I don't know why they put all automatic. Oh, okay. Cubby space here. If you come here, we have heads-up display right here. We have this digital gauge cluster that looks nice, and you know you can change the menu, change one nut, change a lot of things in it. Yeah, you get this. We have paddle shifters, and we have this nice steering wheel that is heated. Feels so nice. You know, we have the hands-free driving system and cruise control system. If you come to this side, we have this touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is wireless. Android Auto is not wireless. I don't know what that is. We have also, you know, 360 camera view, backup camera, whatnot. You can change it again, give it the side view, which is nice. Come down here, we have heated seats, no ventilated seats, climate control, wireless charging pad, gear selector, piano black. I'm not feeling this. 2 cup holders and a okay storage space. It's not even big ass. It's okay. Let's take a look at the back seat. Alright, so taking a look at the back seat. I like this diamond stitching looking ass chair. It looks nice. You can also, you know, the seat back or forward, and it also has, you know, you can adjust it forward and backwards as well, which is nice. 2 back seat pockets here. This one bent here. I like to see that. It sits at the back as well, which is nice. And you also have your own climate control here. Good. There's nothing really distant about the back. And see, this is good. Headroom, not so good, man. Also, this is my 6-foot driving position. Legroom is good. Headroom is trash. By the way, this has a third row. I'm not even gonna try it. It seems as cramped as possible. So let's just check out the trunk. We'll look at the third row from here. In this 2024 Outlander, you just have to kick your leg. It opens. Oh, that's how I play. And as you can see, with the third row, there's basically any trunk space. Doing it based on integrity, we're gonna do the AWD trunk test like this and see if it fits or not. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna fit. You know that, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna fit. I'm not gonna fit. Push it down. Push it down. I think I should be able to fit now, but the normal trunk space I can't fit until you put the seat down. And this front seat they can also go down as well. Just push the lever down, they go down. It's not bad. Overall interior, I'll actually give it like a B+, A-. Oh.
Weesh. Y'all people are rude and salty. I tested the sound system in the Outlander, and this is my honest opinion.
It's bass heavy, but it sounds good. It sounds good. I give it like a B+. It's good, yeah?
Sometimes look.
Alright, so we're gonna do a U-turn. See the turning radius. Ready? Oh, for an SUV, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. For an SUV, that turning radius was okay. It was good. It's not even okay. It's better than good. Should you get this 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander? I would say yes. If I'm grading this car, I'm gonna give this car A-. It's good, but there are some things it can work on. Some quirky feeling. I don't like how inside it's quite cramped, but it's a big ass SUV. Little things that they can fix in the car, but A-, that's what I'm gonna give. It's a good car. It's one of the top ones for its competitors, so I give it A-. I'll see you guys on the next one. Abnolimit. Peace out. This car is not meant for that, but still, it has only like 181 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. So it's not the best, but it's not the worst. But bro, that was trash. The whole acceleration is trash, man. Nothing to write home about. It doesn't even have like a designated sport mode. I don't know, man. Steering wheel feels nice, that's the only thing. And it's tuned well. I like how it's tuned. See, it's quite responsive. See, just a little. See, it's moving. That's what steering wheel is supposed to feel like. Not that you turn and then it's not going. Like, what car do we even review that time that the steering wheel I could barely feel? I don't even remember. The Subaru. The Subaru Outback, the 2025 Subaru Outback, you're turning that you can barely feel the steering wheel. This feels nice, I like it. But acceleration is trash. But it's not meant for that, just for daily driving.